Welcome back to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, we will fix a very common issue where your PC shows this PC can't run Windows 11 while installing or upgrading. If you are facing this error, then most likely TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are not enabled on your system. Before we move to the steps, let's quickly understand what TPM and Secure Boot are. TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. It is a security feature built into your motherboard or processor that helps protect your data and system. This prevents malicious software from running when your PC boots. The good thing is most modern PCs already support both TPM and Secure Boot. They are just disabled by default in many cases. Now first, let's check whether TPM is already enabled or not. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type tpm.msc and press Enter. A window will open. If it shows TPM is ready for use, then TPM is already enabled. In my PC is already ready for use, but in your case, if it says compatible TPM cannot be found, then we need to enable it from BIOS. Now let's check Secure Boot. Again, press Windows plus R. Type msinfo32 and press Enter. In the System Information window, look for Secure Boot state. If it shows on, then you're good. If it shows off, we need to enable it. Now let's move to the main part. We need to enter BIOS. Right-click on the Windows icon and go to Settings. Now search for Recovery and open it. Under Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. Your system will restart and show a blue screen. Click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then select UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart. Now your PC will boot into BIOS. Now this is the most important part. BIOS looks different on every PC, but the settings are similar. Once you are inside BIOS, go to the Security tab. Here, look for TPM settings. On some systems, it may be called Security Chip, Trusted Computing, Intel PTT, or AMD FTPM. Now in some systems, you may see an option called TCG Feature Setup. Open it. Inside, you will find an option called Security Chip 2.0. Click on it, and you will see a drop-down menu. Change it from disabled to enabled. That's it. This will enable TPM on your system. Now let's enable Secure Boot. Still inside BIOS, look for the Secure Boot option. It is usually under the Security or Boot tab. Select Secure Boot and change it from disabled to enabled. That's it. Now press F10 to save changes. Click Yes to confirm. Your system will restart. After booting into Windows, let's verify everything. Press Windows plus R again. Type tpm.msc and press Enter. Now it should show TPM is ready for use. Again, press Windows plus R. Type msinfo32 and press Enter. Check Secure Boot state. It should now show on. So this is how you can enable TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot in BIOS easily. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official.